Today's topic is to convert a string into the bytes. There are two methods to solve such kind of a problem. Method one, that is by using a bytes, and by using an encode method. So let's start from the first method, that is by using a bytes. So first we are going to initialize our string, and after that we are going to use a bytes in which we are going to pass the two parameters, that is first is the iterable, that is the string one, and the second is the type of an encoding which we need to be doing on our string one elements of it. Here I have taken an UTF formation of an encoding. You can even take an ASCII also. And after that successfully conversion from the string into the bytes, we are storing it into the string number 2, and we have them as an output. As you can see it over here, my string was triple A triple B into the triple C. It got converted into the byte array formation, that is into the bytes.